You
But
can't
actually, I
make
look
this
nice. I
flower.
was going.
I didn't think you can make this flower.
Listen, I'm platinum whisk, so
Yes.
don't play with me. Do not play with me, don't mix me.
Hey Whiskers, Kimonie here, the face behind Golden Whisk, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title and hopefully from the thumbnail, I'm doing another vlog. So I don't even know how much of this I'll be able to vlog because I got my vaccine yesterday, and girl can't move the hernia from like from my elbow to my shoulder hurt me, so I can only move from here to my elbow. I can't really move nothing else, and yeah. So what's the event? I have an expo, a business expo. It will be in Mandeville, well, the outskirts of Mandeville. I will be there tomorrow. Them say it's 7 o'clock, but Kimonie will be there at 9, the earliest. So if you want to see how my day is going to go and my night before to prep, then keep on watching. Hey Whiskers, I'm back. So it's technically the next day because it's minutes to 3 at this point. Last time I spoke to you guys, I said I was going to do the business cards and work on some cakes and stuff to take and do my hair and all of that. I ended up trying to sleep because girl really never feel good. I ended up also having Dominic do the business cards because, as I said, my left hand completely, yeah, but that's okay. We move. I'm still not feeling well and I still feel very weak and my joints are killing me, but a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. Can we talk in peace? Hi. You come here, them red. Either way, so it is currently 10:30, and we were supposed to be at the Expo place at what time, Ali? 7 a.m. I would just reach, I will understand, but that's okay. It's fine. But this stop video when I start about the music and you know say me go get copyright claims. You know what I'm saying? Listen to me? Okay. Yeah. I stopped the video because I was late and so my hand hurt me, so I run extra late because of that. So yeah, I'll set up when I get there, as in set up the camera so that you guys can see when I'm setting up the table. That makes sense? I feel like I'm just talking in a circle. But yeah, it makes sense? Okay. Guys, Pauline is here. So yeah, that's the plan. So when I get to the destination, then I will be back. Wait. Then everybody set up and watch me just walking.
It's Kimonie.
It's not Kimonie, it's Golden Whisk.
I'm running 12 o'clock. Shit, Shani.
That's okay. That's
So
okay.
then ask if MC the event can make a money. Hello, good morning, boss.
Morning.
Our exhibitor should be here from morning, just reaching.
Just reaching?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what she should do, get registered here at this tent, and proceed to the end of the driveway, make a right and follow the signs. The parking is done by the back.
Alright, thank you. Okay, so we're finally here. It's like 11 o'clock. We don't even know what time. We're gonna set up the table and let's see. Hello. That's so much better though. You sound like a person.
Progression.
What you get the job in a fucking box? No, what you?
But you should decorate the one in my name.
Okay, you can get my business card. You can do it. Believe in you. You're looking
Oh, Jesus. No man, I want to look difficult.
What you doing? What color is this?
What color?
Not color. You start over. What flower?
Oh.
Look
What
roses.
is it like? I don't know.
Let me see top of it.
Let me see.
Carnation. You look like carnation.
Carnation, yeah.
Carnation.
It needs to be yellow. You have
We're
yellow?
preferring in a bunch.
Oh,
That's all I
okay.
said.
Oh,
You know,
Jesus.
I can do that, Jane, and believe me.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, nice.
I want to spoil now.
That's it.
So this is Food Whisk, Manchester.
Golden Whisk.
Alisa, come and learn this
So
one.
I have to hold it this way.
Who
so
are
it's in the
asleep?
part place today.
Oh,
You
Jesus.
got me.
I want to spoil now.
Okay, Manchester, this is Golden Whisk. And she is literally
You
teaching
tell us about what I
persons
spoil.
how to decorate.
It's going to just look like a fantasy flowers instead of a carnation. No, that's fine.
Yes,
Listen, this is my flowers.
nice.
I get in mark for
You can get a B plus.
For effort.
You can get a B plus.
This is my flowers. You
But
can't
actually, I
make
look
these
nice. I
flowers.
love one.
How do you think you can make these flowers?
Listen, I'm platinum whisk, so don't play with me. Do not play with me. Don't mix me. Me gone global. That's nice, Jim. That's
Mine.
nice.
That one is mine. Alisa, what's the place, Alisa? It's alright, that's fine.
Well, I can put it down. I'm getting white flour. You do.
Golden Whisk, and we have the original, the one and only Manayard. He is going to execute in the Olympic time his cupcake, the first decoration that he's going to try.
Okay. There's a first time for everything.
Mr. Shah, I'm a plug granddaughter. Plug Miss Daphne, yes, right. In the heart of the constituency. See Mr. Shah gone, adio, adio, adio. How you mean, how you mean? Ladies and gentlemen, adio. There we go. Manaya, the original, the original, the original. The original, the original, the original.
Right at tent, not for festival. They have shoes, they have clothing, they have...
Okay guys, so I'm home. I just got home. It's after 5. I actually left the expo at 3:30, but then I went to do something for a friend, collect some packages that were shipped, and stopped a few places. But yeah, I'm home. It was a good day. Chances are I'm probably gonna just insert clips before this outro so that you guys can see how the day went. I didn't film much because there was a lot of music in the background and copyrights. We don't even know if Meg actually, add everything with the sound. And my battery was dead for half of the time because the Digicel was using my data for some reason, even though nothing about that on my background. Besides the point. But yeah, it was a good day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And if you like more content like this, then let me know. So this car though. Yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next week with another video. Until then, stay golden.